Nah, can't even see me. Excellent stuff, Wooly. Excellent stuff. Wow, Wooly here. Guys, I gotta sharpen some stuff. I've been building that shelter down at Red Branch, and I dinged up the poco, and my axe, guys. I dinged up my axe, so I just want to sharpen them up for you and just sort of go through what I do. I know you have seen me sharpen before, guys, but hey. Stay tuned. Tools of the trade for this video, guys, are going to be the absolutely fantastic Worksharp guided sharpener, and I'm going to be using the coarse and the fine, guys. And what I'm probably going to have to end up doing, or what I'm probably going to have to do, is I'm probably going to have to hand file the axe with this to start with, to get rid of the burrs. So there's quite a big ding, quite big dings in this, guys. I don't know if you can see it. I'll take this up. Take it up, please. Okay, so what actually happened, guys, was that I was when I was making posts, I actually just dung. I actually just dinged that right there. When I was making, guys, I was making some posts to beat into the ground. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this is the roughest file, guys, is I'm just going to and I'll just keep at this, guys, until I get the right shape and I get rid of those things, and then I can put it onto the actual Worksharp itself and get cracking from there. Right, got the old sacrificial bank statement here with me again. Let's see how we're getting on. It's not bad. Okay, so what I need to do, guys, is I need to get it onto this, and this is where a little bit of, you need to sort of move yourself about for this bit, okay? Because you got a big bloody handle sticking out. It's all about maintaining your angle, guys. So find your angle. It's not going to be the same as with your knife. So find your angle and then hold it at that. It's getting there, guys, but it is slow. Okay. I think for your bushcraft axe, guys, it needs to be as sharp as your bushcraft knife. That's my opinion, okay? This end for beating, this end for slicing. Such a video of interruptions, guys. Such a video of interruptions. Man and beast. Man and beast. This has been a test of patience. It has taken me a long time to get this right. Okay. I was watching Swamp Valley's video yesterday, and guys, I did this yesterday. So, which is actually, so this will probably be, I don't know when this will come out. But, so I was watching Swamp Valley's video. Guys, there's a good channel you should watch, Swamp Valley. And he put a ding in his Hultafors axe by hitting it off a rock. Now, I didn't do it on purpose, but he fixed his with machinery, like with a grinder. And he had a really cool system, guys. I understand why he does it like that now. This has taken a long time. Okay, so okay. I got this chamois or chamois or whatever I'm not really sure what you call it, and I just put some polishing compound on it, guys. And you can put it on your knee and rub it back and forward like that, and it works very well. Okay, I think it works better on the curve of the blade because it's soft, if that makes sense. Not a lot of places left to cut. Nothing is going right on camera today at all. Guys, get out of my pocket. Guys, none of it is going right on camera for me at all. My piece of paper has been plundered and pillaged by the girls, and that'll do, guys. That'll do. That was a lesson in patience. Okay, that took a long time, a long time. So, guys, check your wood. Don't bust your axe off. Don't hit nails and screws with your axe. But that's a good idea, guys. That worked very, very well. Anyway, listen. Stay frosty. Guys, thanks for watching. Tell me this now, before I go, tell me this. When I shoot these videos, guys, there is a fluorescent light up above me. And when I shoot these videos in here, what I notice is that they can be a little bit flickery. Do you guys find that as well? Let me know. Stay frosty. Thanks for watching.